Guys, we're doing an unboxing ceremony. I bought a few things for the Maverick. I want to show you what they are, and you can tell me if I made the right choice, if I made the wrong choice, or what. Because as I stated in other videos, I am a real estate expert. I am not a car restorer. But, you know, with the advent of the internet, a man can do anything these days. All right, so I am pretty sure this car is going to crank. I've not cranked it yet, but so I'm willing to put a little money into this now at this point. So here's what we've got. Let's check it out. So I got some NGK Spark Plugs, and I got these because they're supposed to be very long lasting. That Maverick with the 351 heads is a real pain to take the spark plugs out. You can see that in my previous video. I had to like undo this engine bracket, back those bolts out just to get to two of the spark plugs anyway. So we got that. I have the Pertronix. I'm terrible with words, so anyways, I read this is really good. I'm going to replace the points in the distributor cap because they looked a little rusty to me anyway. So I just went ahead and went with this. And then going with that is a coil, Flamethrower 2. So I went with the 2 version. Didn't see a need for 3. Honestly, I probably could have went with 1 and been just fine, but I went with 2. And then got us some crimpers here because I have some spark plug wires coming, and I'll have to actually crimp them myself. I got the Ford, I believe it's the Ford motor racing ones coming is what I got for those. So that's what we have in this box. I'm actually going to take this stuff out to the car today and we'll work on it, and we're getting closer to an official crank. All right, guys, I told you I don't know anything about restoring cars, and because of that, these Sparkies are a little too big. So I'm going to have to order or go get some new ones that are a little bit smaller. Well, you know, can't always get it right. So what I'm doing now is we're actually going to replace the points with the Petronix Ignitor II, however you say it. And we're going to put that in, and then hopefully tomorrow I can come back, put the spark plugs in, get the wires hooked up, and we might see if this thing can crank. All right, progress so far today. I have replaced the battery cables, new cables there, and I have put in the electronic ignition. I am actually taking the coil bracket over here and doing a little spray paint on it as I about trip and fall, because that's how I roll. So let's switch it around here. So I decided, well, if I got that little bracket out, let's make it a little pretty. So that's what I did. And that's going to be for the Flamethrower 2 here. Hope you like my fancy workbench, also known as the dirt. Very good spot to lose things in, just so you know. Again, don't follow my advice. I'm a real estate expert, not a car expert. So anyways, that's what we're working on. A little ways to go, but we're getting closer to at least getting started.